The manufacture of paper-faced gypsum board, from the preparation of a variety of raw materials, the mixing of slurry, the combination and molding of slurry and face paper, solidification into whiteboard, and then through cutting, drying, edge cutting, edge wrapping, and stacking, all links cooperatively closely to form an automatic mechanical flow operation line. After the upper paper is uncoiled, it enters the automatic deviation correction machine and then forming machine. The error of the deviation correction machine is less than 2 millimeters. After the down paper is uncoiled, through automatic deviation correction machine, easy to edge folding, scoring machine, and the vibration platform, it enters the forming machine. All mixed raw material and additives are injected into mixer and fall onto the vibration platform. Break the bubble, spread the slurry evenly, avoid empty and leakage material on both sides, and enter the forming machine. The forming machine is used to adjust the thickness of gypsum board. Then, complete the initial setting on the solidification belt. The initial setting belt is a whole belt, which adopts background of Candy-Tac in China. The number 1 initial setting belt roller is made of stainless steel, with thickness 2.5 millimeters. Number 2 initial setting belt roller adopts high precision drawn pipe, wall thickness 2.5 millimeters. Our rollers are strengthened by straightening equipment. The run out of the roller is less than 0.3 millimeters, and the frame body adopts 250 millimeter stick channel steel. Conveyor roller is stainless steel, which can light the heat of gypsum board out. Through the fixed length cutter, it's cutting into the required length: 2,400 millimeters, 3,000 millimeters, or other. The cutting machine adopts German SEW servo motor, and the cutting arrow is less than 2 millimeters. Then turn through number 1 transverse machine to make the gypsum board face side up. In order to keep gypsum board face side clean and make the protective paper stick well, then use the closing roller to make the spacing between the 2 boards meet the requirements, and then throw the distributor to the dryer. The dryer isolation panel thickness is 160 millimeters, and the density is 120 kilograms per steer. The main chain of the dryer adopts the national standard 24A roller chain. Divided into 2 to 3 zones based on output to control the temperature of different zones. And avoid defects such as overburning and drying. The process has the advantages of environmental friendly, energy saving, high thermal efficiency. After drying, the gypsum board goes into number 2 transfer system through the distributor. Two gypsum board face papers are combined to keep face paper clean. Enter the fixed length trimming and automatic edge wrapping system, and then automatic stacking through the finished product conveyor. The maximum bearing capacity of the stacker is 5 tons, with energy storage station and the function of fast rise and fall. Speed of fast rise is 150 mm per second, and that of fast fall is 200 mm per second. After stacking, it is transported to the packing area by forklift for inspection and packaging. The whole production process is completed.